Well, I got to camp at 1 something, 1:45, 1:50, I don't know which. I set my tent up right away because of those clouds. Those look very ominous. And look, there's more this way. And right here. So, yeah! But, I'm gonna sit down and have a snack now. Return some satellite messages. Backcountry is just about, it's gonna get jacked up. Oh, those look dark. So dark. I'm surprised it's not raining on me yet. You know the sun is really powerful and coming down when your battery goes from 83%, actually it might have been less, to 97 in a matter of like maybe 20 minutes. Holy cow, that was loud and close. That caught me by surprise. I've been hearing it from that direction, all of a sudden it's right behind me. That feels good. Come on, I'm gonna catch some thunder on video. Oh, there's a waterfall there. I didn't know that was there. That's cool. Well, the rain started off with just a light pitter patter, and all of a sudden, better cover up my pack here. Just blowing it in. Exciting! It was really loud earlier. I only caught the last half. It scared the crap out of me. Oh, that was loud. And it's not good because I have to use the bathroom. And when you ask yourself, which one? Yes. So, scares like that are probably not a good thing. Oh boy. So I had two answers to prayer. I had prayed before the trip that I'd get to experience a storm, but only when I got my tent set up first. And I got my tent set up, and then the rain came shortly after. Also on my little GPS, my Garmin thing, it says I went 10 miles per hour today at a point as my max speed. Obviously that's not true, but I wonder if it had something to do with me rolling on that rock and going flying. I wonder if somehow I got the reading from that. But obviously, you know, 2 miles an hour, boy, that's fast. So today I went over 10 miles. I didn't do a pass today, but I may as well have, because I had to climb, you know, almost 3,000 feet to get up here on the bottom of a canyon. That was fun. I am tired. I am tired. And tomorrow I have a real pass to do, which I actually don't know the elevation of it. I need to check on that, but I'm sure it's high. So, and I think there's storms tomorrow too, so I'll probably get up early. Just try and get over it quick. I do not want to be on top of Mather when a storm hits. That is not a good idea. But I know I'll sleep well tonight. It's so wonderful here. I had a wonderful dinner. Sweet and sour pork with rice. Oh, that's my favorite mountain house meal. So good. My tent kind of blends in with the rocks.